The Ford GT40 is one of America's most iconic race cars. The automaker used a fleet of them to shame Ferrari at Le Mans in the 1960s, kicking off decades of imitators looking to capture the look and feel of those iconic cars. The newest Restomard comes from South Africa's Cape Advanced Vehicles, CAV. The company doesn't specify which chassis underpins the car, but the few pieces of evidence CAV does provide suggest an Audi R8 is hiding beneath the new body. The CAV GT MKII features a twin-supercharged 4.2-litre V8 engine and all-wheel drive. According to the builder, the engine has forged internals, direct injection, dry sump lubrication, a carbon fibre intake manifold, and an Inconel exhaust. The engine produces 800 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, with power routing to the wheels through one of three transmissions: a 6-speed single-clutch semi-automatic, a dual-clutch, or a manual. The original Ford did not have all-wheel drive. CAV says the car will have a top speed of over 205 miles per hour and can reach 62 miles per hour from a standstill in 3.0 seconds. The car weighs 2,976 pounds, with a carbon fibre composite body and an aluminum and carbon fibre space frame.